If you look at the various government agencies, there are quite a few, as you can appreciate, that have some very sensitive data requirements. Through our engagement with our government and enterprise customers, we discovered there was a real requirement for protected cloud in this market, but more importantly, something that was hosted in Queensland. So from there we had a look at potentially building a protected cloud offering ourselves, and then realised it was going to be a very significant investment and take quite a period of time. That's where we found Volt, operating out of Canberra, have been doing it for many years. They're the leading provider to the government sector in Canberra in the protected cloud space, and we've been able to put together this fantastic partnership to bring that offering to Queensland.
I'm Rupert Scott Taylor-Price. I'm the CEO and founder of Volt Cloud. So there are 4 levels. So you've got top secret, secret, protected and official, and we actually work to top secret. So the top secret standard is quite strong, and as you go down that, it becomes more and more flexible. So the protected standard though is still a very high standard. It is still meant for classified information of government, so it's still a very tough and stringent standard.
The sort of customers we think will have a requirement for protected cloud, in particular government agencies of course, and some of those have some very sensitive data that would be classified as protected. But then there'd be other industries outside of government that are potentially servicing government, so whether that's the defence industries, aviation, healthcare obviously, aged care and various others. So it's a very broad range of industries that would have some sort of requirement for protected cloud. At a federal government level, the concept of utilising a protected cloud and categorising your data as such has been around for some time. Various states have started to pick that up. The likes of New South Wales, Victoria have moved down that path, and of course Queensland is following very closely behind in that regard. There is probably a perception in the market that protected cloud would have a higher cost than standard public cloud, but this is actually incorrect. So our standard protected cloud offering is priced very much in line with what you'd expect from public cloud, and probably a little bit more cost effective. If you move into some of the higher levels of classification like secret and top secret, then yes, there's a premium to be paid there. But the protected cloud level, which is where we see most of the classified data, it's very comparable to standard public cloud.